Building a Skool community is a game changer for anyone looking to create an engaging space for learning, networking, or any niche passion. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Skool community from scratch. Stick around till the end because I'm also sharing some amazing alternatives that could take your community to the next level. Let's dive in. First things first, signing up for Skool is easy. All you need is an email address and you're ready to go. Once you've logged in, it's time to create your community. You'll be asked to choose a name, which will be the foundation of your space. This is where the fun starts, so pick something memorable that resonates with your audience and clearly communicates the purpose of your community. Next thing, you'll want to set up your Skool. Skool gives you the ability to create courses, modules, and categories. You can customize these to fit your needs, whether it's creating content for an educational platform, a mastermind group, or simply a place to discuss your favorite topics. The flexibility in how you organize your content is a huge plus, making it easy to map out your community structure. Now, let's talk about branding. A great community needs a strong identity. On Skool, you can upload your logo and select a theme for your community. This is key because, just like any business or brand, you want your community to have a professional and cohesive look. Skool allows you to keep things visually appealing, even with its minimalist design approach. The fourth thing that sets Skool apart is engagement. You can create discussion forums, posts, and quizzes. Skool is designed to keep your members active with notifications, updates, and threads that encourage participation. However, some users do find the platform lacks advanced engagement features compared to competitors. If you need more sophisticated interaction tools, Skool might fall short. Another important feature is the ability to offer content monetization. If you're planning to build a profitable community, you can charge for access to your content or create paid courses. Skool allows you to set up a subscription model or one-time payments, but keep in mind the platform isn't as flexible as others like Teachable or Thinkific when it comes to advanced payment options or integrations with third-party payment processors. Now, a common critique of Skool is its reliance on an all-in-one structure. For those who want deep customization or specialized tools for each aspect of their community, like a separate email marketing platform or detailed analytics, Skool might feel a bit limiting. But for someone just starting out, this simplicity is actually a strength. You don't need to juggle multiple services, and everything is right there in one place. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in building a Skool community, I have an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial that gives you a head start on setting up your community, plus some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. But wait! I'm also sharing some amazing alternatives for building a community that might work even better depending on your goals. These platforms have free trials too, and they offer features that Skool doesn't quite cover, especially when it comes to advanced customization and scalability. So, whether you choose Skool or one of its competitors, you'll be on your way to creating a community that brings real value. Don't forget to check the link below for the best offer and benefits.